the word whose is used in English to ask about possession or ownership. It helps us find out who something belongs to. For example, when someone asks, "Whose bag is this?" they want to know who owns the bag. Whose is used to ask about possession or ownership. It replaces phrases like "who is the owner of" in questions. This means instead of saying "who is the owner of the book," you say "whose book is it?" Here are some examples of using whose. Whose bag is on the table? This asks who the bag belongs to. Maya, whose brother is in class 10, helped us. This means Maya has a brother in class 10. This is the student whose project won the prize. This shows the project belongs to the student. Use whose to ask about possession or ownership. Whose never uses an apostrophe. Do not confuse whose with who is or who has, which use the contraction whose can refer to people, animals, or things. Whose shows possession and does not use an apostrophe. Whos is a contraction for who is or who has. To check which to use, try replacing the word with who is or who has. If that makes sense, use whos, otherwise, use whose for possession. Try filling in the blanks with whose. For example, whose book is lying on the table? I met a woman whose car was stolen last week. This means the woman owns the car. This is the man whose dog saved the child. The dog belongs to the man. The correct answers are, whose book is lying on the table. I met a woman whose car was stolen last week. This is the man whose dog saved the child. Remember that whose asks about possession. Never use an apostrophe in whose. Use whos only when you mean who is or who has. Practice using these rules often to improve your English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.